Yeah, let's start. As part of Snowflake fundamentals, in this session, we are going to see how to install VS Code and how to create a connection between VS Code with Snowflake, then how to write Snowflake SQL statements using VS Code. Okay, first open any web browser. I already opened Google Chrome. Let's search download VS Code, VS Code download. Then go to first link. And here you can see Windows, click on Windows, then it will start downloading. Let's wait few seconds. Click on start download. Okay. Once the download is completed, we will go to download location. Then we will install by double clicking on downloading file. We choose all default options. Okay. Yeah. Go to open the folder. So double click on this VS Code. Accept the agreement. Click on next button. Click on next button. Click on next button and select create a desktop on desktop icon on desktop. Click on next button. Click on install. Then it will take a few minutes, seconds time. Once completed, we are going to create a connection. And one more important point again, we have to add extension of Snowflake in VS Code so that we can create a connection with VS Code and Snowflake. Let's first complete installation. Then I will show how to add Snowflake extension. Yeah. So VS Code installation is success. Uncheck this one. Click on finish. So this is the icon. Okay. So double click on this VS Code icon. Then it will start VS Code and select the workspace location too. Go to first, we have to create a workspace. Go to C drive. I have created one workspace called workspace. And here I'm creating uh, under data engineering, I am creating Snowflake data engineering. Snowflake, Snowflake. In the Snowflake, I am creating Snowflake. I am creating Snowflake, Snowflake examples. Okay. Then open your VS Code. Then here file and open the folder. Go to your Snowflake and Snowflake examples. Click on this, select the folder. Okay, click on trust these authors. Close this one. Okay. One important point. Here we are not seeing Snowflake symbol. Snowflake symbol. So this is extensions. Once we click on these extensions, we can add Snowflake extensions. Once we add, then we are going to see Snowflake symbol here. Okay, let me click on extensions. This is extensions. Click on extensions. Type Snowflake. Type Snowflake. It will search Snowflake. You can see Snowflake from Snowflake. Click on this one. Click on install. Click on trust this publisher and install. Okay. So click on close this one and go to your folder. You can see Snowflake symbol is added. Right. Now let's create a connection between your Snowflake with VS Code. Click on This is Snowflake symbol. And here you can click on add. Okay. You can click on edit Snowflake connection. Or here you can see identify account identifier URL. Go to your Snowflake and go to your user and go to view your account details. And this is our account URL. Copy this URL, then enter this URL here. Then click on continue. Then it will ask username. Username is Akkem Sreenivas. Then enter password. Okay. Once you created a connection, then click on sign in. So you can see here databases. You can see raw database. Okay. You can see raw schema. Right. Under raw schema, you have tables, two tables, customer table. Okay. So here I want to work with this one. So here you can see SQL file, right? Click on Snow SQL file. Here you can write a SQL query. I am writing SQL is select star from customers. Okay. So here above you see execute. Click on execute. So this is raw schema. In this we have tables, and in this we are writing this one. And before that, what we have to do? We have to connect the database. Use raw underscore db dot raw underscore schema. Okay. First we execute this command, then execute this select query. You are going to see output two records. You can see here two records. You can see two records, right? So you can write select count star. Count star. It will return two rows. Click on execute. You can see output is 2. Clear writing using VS Code. We can create a connection to Snowflake. Then you can write SQL statements from VS Code also. It is also one of the most popular client for Snowflake team. Okay, clear writing. How to install VS Code, how to create a connection between Snowflake and VS Code, and how to write SQL statements using VS Code. Okay.